Hey everyone, welcome back to another session. In today's class, we are going to learn about the digestive system of earthworm. Basically, we are going to learn about the how to draw the diagram of the digestive system of the earthworm. It looks a little difficult, but it is super easy if you know about the segments and the part of alimentary canal present in the segments. Okay, so मैंने कैसे draw किया था? First, you have to draw background for it. What is the background? आपको इस ruler लेकर you have to just draw the straight line. That's it. What are these straight line? These are nothing but the segments. How many segments I have drawn? I have drawn 36 segments. Why 36 segments? Because I wanted to mention the last part of the intestine, that is post tiflosolar region, which will start from the 36 segment. Okay. So इस तरीके से आपको पहले segments बना लेने हैं. Now let me just draw it. Okay. Make sure that you draw with a pencil because later on you have to erase it. मेरा टेढ़ा जा रहा है, but yours should be straight. Okay, so now here you can see the upper part which I have drawn with the green color. That is nothing but the prostomium. What is prostomium? It is nothing but the flap-like structure which will be covering the mouth. Ma'am, is it necessary to draw the protostomium? No, it is not necessary. Okay, it's completely optional. If you don't want to mention prostomium, it is completely your wish. You can start from the mouth onwards. Okay, so I have drawn it. तो मैं इसको mention कर देती हूँ यहाँ पे. Let me draw it. Okay, so this one upper part is nothing but your prostomium. After prostomium, let me just complete the segments however I've drawn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Fine, ठीक है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Now, whatever these extra segments are there, anyways, you are supposed to remove it later on. You can draw it double also. I have drawn it. It gives little good appearance as well. Okay, chalo ठीक है. Now, let's jump over the inner part of the alimentary canal. So the first one is nothing but we know that the mouth. Acha, let me first mention 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you will mention the segments because if you don't mention the segments, it will be difficult for you to draw the diagram. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, now let's just draw. We know that first segment mein what will be present? Your mouth will be present. So this is your mouth. Then, let me change the color once again. We know that from first to third segment, buccal cavity will be present. So draw the buccal cavity. This is your buccal cavity. Now, the next one is pharynx. Next one is pharynx, which will be present in the fourth segment. In some textbook, it is written from third to fourth segment. Completely your wish what you can follow. I am following the fourth segment one. Okay, so this is your pharynx, where your food will mix with the pharyngeal juices. Then from fifth segment to seventh segment, you can see esophagus is there. Okay, so let's make esophagus. From fifth segment to seventh segment, what is present? Esophagus is present. So make esophagus. After that, eighth segment mein what is present? Your gizzard is present. That is nothing but your grinding meal of the earthworm. Okay, so this is your gizzard. Now, after that, what is present? From 9th segment to 14th segment, you have stomach. Draw stomach then. From 9th segment till 14th segment, what is present? Stomach is present. Mention it. Stomach. Okay, then rest all the part will be the part of intestine. Okay, so let's draw intestine. 1, 2, 3. You can just draw like this. Okay, segment to segment, segment to segment. This is just a rough picture I'm showing you. You can just copy the original picture which I have drawn over here. Okay, this is just to give you an idea how have I drawn this diagram. Okay, so this is nothing but your intestine. We know that intestine is divided into three parts. Okay, so first one is the pre-tiflosolar region, second one is the tiflosolar region, and the next one is your post-tiflosolar region. Okay, so यहाँ पे you can see that from segment 15 till 25th, what is present? Pre-tiflosolar region. So 15 till 25th, your pre-tiflosolar region is present. Then from segment, that is your 26th till 35th, what is present? Tiflosolar region is present, and from 36 onwards, what will be present? Your post-tiflosolar region will be present. So accordingly, you can mark this. Okay. Now, what is left in this picture is one, that is your intestinal CK. Here you can see that the intestinal CK is projecting out from 26th segment and it is going till 22nd segment. Okay. So in your answer paper, if you write that intestinal CK is present in the 26th segment, that will be wrong. It projects out from 26th segment, that is correct. It is projecting or it is in between 26 to 22 segment, that is also correct. But if you say it is present in 26 segment, that will be wrong. Okay, so 26 segment pe what you have to draw till 22nd segment, you have to draw the intestinal CK. Okay. Now it is difficult to draw with pen tab. That's why my drawing is looking like a chidiya ka tang. But this is just to explain you how I have drawn. Okay, intestinal CK. Okay, now what you have to do, once you have drawn all these things with the pencil, erase the entire thing which is present inside. Okay, पूरा इसको erase कर दो so that it will be blank. Outside one you can shade it with the pencil, and inner one you can just keep it like this. Okay, now what is important over here? The segments are important and the labelings will be important. Okay, I hope you must have understood how I have drawn this diagram. It is super important for you to learn this. I hope this will be easy for you to make it. Thank you.